Breaking news, June 15, 2026, NorthFlow Finance AI just flagged 3 explosive TSX stock signals. Let's dive in and explore these potential market movers. We're taking a closer look at AlphaMin Resources, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the ticker symbol AFM.V, which has just triggered a very interesting signal, a MACD bullish crossover with a significant volume surge. This is a stock we've been watching, and this recent development has caught our attention. The current price is sitting at $1.44. The MACD bullish crossover is a strong indicator of a potential trend reversal, and when combined with a volume surge of over 337.8%, it's a very compelling signal. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently at 60.7, which suggests that the stock is in neutral territory, not yet overbought or oversold. This RSI reading indicates that there's still room for momentum to build. The volume surge is a key factor here, as it tells us that investors are becoming more convinced about the stock's potential. With this level of conviction, we could see further upward momentum. This volume change is unusual activity, and it might signal that institutional investors are starting to take notice of AlphaMin Resources. A surge of this magnitude can be a sign of a significant shift in investor sentiment. Recent earnings and dividend announcements have been well received by the market, with the stock seeing a notable increase in value. This positive reaction suggests that investors are pleased with the company's performance and are expecting further growth. Viewers should watch for continued momentum and monitor key levels of support and resistance. The ability to hold above the current price will be crucial in determining the stock's next move. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're looking at NorthFlow Copper and Gold, a stock that's just triggered a very interesting signal on the charts, a MACD bullish crossover, accompanied by a significant volume surge. This is a technical indicator that suggests a potential shift in momentum, and as a Canadian stock market analyst, I'm excited to dive deeper into this. The stock is currently trading at $3.02. The MACD bullish crossover is a strong signal that suggests the stock is gaining upward momentum, and with the current price at $3.02, we're seeing a potential buying opportunity. The RSI is at 56.2, which is in neutral territory, suggesting that the stock is not overbought or oversold, and this gives us a sense that there's still room for momentum to build. The volume surge of 181% is also a key indicator of investor conviction, as it shows that investors are becoming more interested in the stock. This surge in volume tells us that investors are taking notice of the stock's potential, and it's likely that we'll see more activity in the coming days. This volume change is unusual and could signal that institutional investors are starting to take notice of the stock. The significant increase in volume suggests that there's a growing interest in the stock, and this could be a sign of things to come. Recent news has also been positive for NorthFlow Copper and Gold, with many analysts not too concerned about the company's cash burn situation, which is a great sign for investors. This news has likely contributed to the recent surge in volume and could be a factor in the stock's potential upward momentum. Viewers should watch for the stock to break through key resistance levels, and also keep an eye on the volume, as a continuation of this surge could be a sign of a strong uptrend. The key levels to watch will be the stock's ability to hold its current price and continue to build momentum. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're looking at our third and final stock for today, NG.TO, which has just triggered a MACD bullish crossover with a significant volume surge. This signal is particularly interesting, as it suggests a potential shift in momentum for the stock. The current price is sitting at $11.35. The MACD bullish crossover indicates a bullish trend, and with the current price, it's clear that investors are taking notice. The RSI is at 49.0, which puts it squarely in neutral territory, neither overbought nor oversold. This suggests that there's still room for momentum to build. The volume surge of 56.7% is also a strong indicator of investor conviction, as it shows that investors are putting their money behind this stock. The fact that the RSI is in neutral territory and we're seeing a volume surge suggests that investors are becoming more confident in the stock's potential. This volume change is unusual activity, and it may signal that institutional investors are taking a closer look at the stock. A surge of this magnitude can be a sign of increased interest from larger players in the market. Recent industry outlooks have been highlighting companies like NovaGold Resources, which is closely related to NG.TO. This suggests that the industry as a whole is gaining traction, and NG.TO may be poised to benefit from this trend. The fact that these companies are being highlighted in industry outlooks suggests that there's growing interest in the sector. Viewers should watch for the stock to continue its upward momentum, and key levels to watch will be the next resistance points. A breakout above these levels could signal a significant shift in the stock's trajectory. That wraps up our final pick for today. Don't forget to subscribe for daily TSX signals. Thanks for watching NorthFlow Finance. Subscribe for more, and remember, this is not financial advice. Consult a professional before making investment decisions.